Here's some contemporary sculpture trivia. Subscribe. Which artwork features a giant spider by Louise Bourgeois? Is it A, The Kiss, B, Starry Night, C, Maman, or D, Persistence of Memory? The correct answer is C, Maman. Which sculptor created I Like America and America Likes Me? Is it A, Henry Moore, B, Louise Bourgeois, C, Richard Serra, or D, Joseph Beuys? The correct answer is D, Joseph. Which artist is famous for large-scale installations using light? Is it A, Larry Bell, B, James Turrell, C, Donald Judd, or D, Claes Oldenburg? The correct answer is B, James Turrell. What is the name of Anish Kapoor's reflective sculpture in Chicago? Is it A, Cloud Gate, B, Steel Arch, C, Mirror Sphere, or D, Reflective Wave? The correct answer is A, Cloud Gate. Who designed the Shard in London? Is it A, Frank Gehry, B, Zaha Hadid, C, Renzo Piano, or D, Norman Foster? The correct answer is C, Renzo Piano. Which sculptor is identified with large public installations like the Gates? Is it A, Christo and Jean-Claude, B, Anish Kapoor, C, Jeff Koons, or D, Richard Serra? The correct answer is A, Christo and Jean-Claude. Who is the artist behind the bronze Sin installed for public view? Is it A, Jeff Koons, B, Louise Bourgeois, C, Banksy, or D, Daniel Buren? The correct answer is D, Daniel Buren. Which British artist is known for sculptures of public figures? Is it A, Antony Gormley, B, Richard Serra, C, Damien Hirst, or D, Banksy? The correct answer is A, Antony Gormley. What is the title of Antony Gormley's work with human figures? Is it A, Human Conceptualization, B, Body of Water, C, The Light Field, or D, Another Place? The correct answer is D, Another Place. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.